Hello everyone. Today we'll look into the different features in the Excel sheet where we can look into the data in a more efficient way. So one of the ways we can split the Excel sheet into right and left, and then we can scroll so that we can correlate all the data. So for that, we'll select the column. So if select the column D here, I'll go to the tab above, view tab, and then I'll go to the split icon here. And as soon as I click on this icon, it will divide the Excel sheet into the right and the left part. So now if you can see, there is a gray line which came between column C and D, which is giving me the indication, okay, this column C part A, B, and C is in the left part of this Excel sheet, and column D, E, F, and so on are in the right part of the Excel sheet. Now, if I want to navigate the only the right part, I can directly scroll it. Now, if you can see, the column C remains intact, but on the right hand side, all the columns can be changed and looked into. So yeah, that's one of the way we can split the Excel sheet and look into different data points. Now I'll remove this. I'll go back again, click on the split icon. Now the rows has been moved away, the gray line which was coming. Now another way is we can also divide the Excel sheet into up and down, right and left parts. So for that, I'll select the column here and I'll again go to the view tab, but this time I'll go to the freeze pane. Now, there are three options available. I can freeze the top row only, I can freeze the first column, or I can freeze the pane, in which I can freeze some of the top rows and some of the top columns. So that's what we'll see here. I'll click on it, and as soon as I clicked it, you can see there are two lines which came here on the left side and on this one. So now what it means is this is the line which will separate my left and the right part. So now if I go down, if I try to scroll down, I can see the above line is there, which makes sure that the above data remains intact and only the lower data which would be moving. You can see that. Now similarly, if I want to go into the right part, I can scroll it like this, and now it makes sure that the left part remains intact and I can go over and scroll the right part. So that was another thing which we can use to see by freezing the page.